हेलो एवरीबडी, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ नमस्कार। आप लोग कैसे हैं? सब लोग कैसे हैं? आपके घर में कैसे हैं? Yes, in yesterday classes we have studied about computer definition, what is computer, and computer characteristics and block diagram of this computer we have studied it. Now we are going to study about computer generations. Computer generations, there are four generations. First one is we'll call it as a first generation of computer, that is started from 1940 to 1956 in the year, and in this major device used is vacuum tubes. Around 25,000 to 30,000 vacuum tubes were used in building the first generation of computer. It produces a lot of heat. The speed of the computer is very less, and it occupies a large space, around 2,500 square feet area. They were very expensive. They were large and consumed a significant amount of power. They were consuming a lot of power. Examples of first generation of computers are ENIAC, UNIVAC, and EDVAC. This is the first generation of the computers. Next one is second generation of computer, that is started from 1956 to 1963. In this, the size of the device is reduced, and that is second generation transistors started using, so that the heat produces will be less than the compared to first generation, and thus it is faster than the first generation, and it occupies less space than the first generation. They were smaller, faster, and more reliable than the first generation computers. Examples are IBM 1401, IBM 7090, and CDC 1604. And in third generation, started from 1964 to 1971. In that, IC will be started using integrated circuits. That in this third generation produces a less amount of heat than the second generation, that are speeder than the second generation, and started occupying less space than the second generation. Computer becomes smaller, more powerful, and less expensive. Example, IBM System 360, DEC PDP-8, CDC 7600. And in fourth generation, it starts from 1971 to up to it is started. And in this major device used is LSI. This is also one type of IC, LSI, large scale integration, and in that only they were modified it as a VLSI, very large scale integration, so that the heat produced will be lesser than the third compared to third generation, and fourth generation computers are speeder than the third generation and started occupying less space than the third generation. These computers are more compact, faster, widely used in personal computers. PC means personal computers, we can call it. Example, Intel 4004 first processor, IBM PC, and Apple Macintosh. Now what we are using it as a fifth generation computers. Present and next coming are called as a fifth generation of computer. In that, microprocessor will be using. The fifth generation focuses on artificial intelligence, advanced parallel processing. It involves innovations like natural language processing and expert systems, ongoing developments in AI, machine learning, robotics. This is the generation of the computer. In your exam, they will going to ask the year, or what is the device used in a second generation or first generation, like that they will ask. They might have asked to write the computer generations in brief. Okay, thank you. In next classes we will study about next we are going to start about hard computer branches. Now we will study what father of the computer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is called the father of the computer. First computer means abacus, that is invented by the China. You are seeing it in a picture. This is the abacus. In the schools, abacus training will be given to calculate the mathematical calculations, how to calculate mathematical calculations very fast. Okay, thank you for watching our video. Next classes we are going to start it what is computer branches, hardware, what is hardware and what is software. Till that we'll see you. Bye bye. And we are also conducting one-to-one classes. If you are and if anybody interested, please WhatsApp me my number. Thank you, one and all.